Hey guys, welcome back to Options Algo AI Pro. This is Brandon, and I am back after a very long time. And I really appreciate all the messages that I have received on my personal Telegram as well as the Telegram of the Options Algo AI regarding the questions a lot of you people had of my well being, and you're wishing me all the lucks because I used to live in Dubai back in time. But the fact that we had to relocate for a while and then come back again, it took us a while. And lately, we have given the Options Algo AI trading system a really sophisticated upgrade. It has now received the all new dashboard V7. So traders can now access the dashboard V7 and start trading with the powerful trading software right away. Now the dashboard UI looks something like this in the real time, and we have been continuously trading with the dashboard, and it's been a pretty incredible experience throughout. So if you're someone who's trading with the binary options market and you've been continuously trying to become profitable through a safe trading approach and not through a gambling approach where you're just trying to throw your money at a random trade and pick up a random entry point, waste all your money, and then end up with absolute nothing, this tool is going to help you get through that situation and choose the method of safe trading over an impulsive trading. So if you're really serious about your trading journey, and if you're really a serious trader who wants real profit and not some real profit that a lot of gurus out there try to promise you and sell you, this tool is waiting for you to access it and use the best out of what it has to offer. So let's start trading in the account that I have with myself right now. So I have this pocket option account with 3000 USD. So that's basically well above the average balance required to trade with the options algo AI dashboard. I mean the recommended balance and not minimum balance. Well, the minimum could be anywhere between $10 to $50, but we recommend every trader to have at least more than $400 because that is the bare minimum to stay profitable in the market if you're just not trying to chase pennies and trying to actually make good profits. So let's get started, and this is going to be an amazing journey ahead.
On the bed.
Alrighty, guys. So here is the final update from the previous trading session that we conducted using the options Algo AI dashboard V7. So we started off with $3,000, and right now we are at around $17,000. Now I'm not promoting any specific number that you can achieve when you use this trading system. It's just that we keep enough measures in place, and we choose to stay consistent and continuously choose the safe trading approach over the impulsive trading approach that people promote on internet these days. So that helps us stay away from trying to generate $100,000 in one session and keep the numbers very real. So I want you to not take away the motivation to make a lot of money, but to choose the actual safe trading methods and not fall for impulsive trading behaviors. Now, here is the cumulative report of the previous trading session. So these are the trades that we took. However, one trade was not an absolute loss. It was like a partial win, and two of the trades were in loss. However, three was in profit in a single trade, but we count it as a complete loss to help us maintain the transparency of the system and keep things extremely unambiguous. So here, as you see, the trade execution analysis, in the trade execution analysis, we have counted it as a complete loss, and the win rate stands around 80%. Well, here are a few tips for new traders out there, and we have used the dashboard V7 during the entire operation. So if you're using the basic dashboard, you might expect the accuracy to drop around 10% or less, probably around 5% accuracy could be less, but it stands around just as a low frequency factor than the low accuracy factor. Now, if you want to access this powerful AI trading bot, you can just go to optionsalgo.ai and access any of the plan that fits the best for you. However, the dashboard V7, which is our primary dashboard, and the dashboard that's been tuned to work extremely efficiently and effectively. You can just access it from the yearly plan, which is now available at a 25% off. So make sure to check it out and make sure to choose the safe trading approach instead of an impulsive one. So I hope you have a really, really great day ahead, and goodbye for now.